I remember something, brother, sister, very important and very serious issue. Now it is common in some in the media that in some places or in some Instagram they sell and they do marketing for stones, diamond, and they claim that these stones have special power, maybe for the cure, for the personality, okay, and some people think this is okay. And this is very dangerous, brothers and sisters. This is a kind of shirk. This is a kind of shirk. If you believe this kind of stone can give me the power, it means you take this stone as a partner with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Be careful, please, brothers and sisters. And please inform your family, inform your brothers, your sisters, your friends, that this is shirk. We should not believe in these stones. And the problem, they sell these stones maybe 100 kd, 200 kd, more. The green one for this power, the red for that, the pink, the brown. This is shirk. Subhanallah. Now education is more, but in dunya, and the knowledge of akhirah is less. So please, we should be careful. This is shirk, this is major sin, and this is the worst sin. Because yesterday one person said, what is the problem with that? This is a big problem. When I believe this stone can do good for me or bad for me, this is shirk. This is what we are explaining in Kitab al-Tawheed. Subhanallah. That's why, brothers and sisters, we should study Kitab al-Tawheed or something like Kitab al-Tawheed. Allah musta'an. May Allah protect us.